Let's talk about how we can use our soft skills to network. Networking soft skills refer to a set of interpersonal abilities and qualities that are essential for building and maintaining professional relationships within a networking context. These skills can greatly contribute to your success in networking events, job interviews, career advancement, and overall professional growth. Here are some important networking soft skills. Effective communication is crucial for networking. This includes active listening, articulating your ideas clearly, expressing yourself confidently, and being attentive to nonverbal cues. The ability to establish and nurture relationships is key in networking. This involves being approachable, showing genuine interest in others, and maintaining professional connections over time. Understand and managing your own emotions, as well as recognizing and emphasizing with others' emotions, is essential for networking. It helps in building rapport, resolving conflicts, and adapting to different personalities. Being able to understand and relate to others' experiences and perspectives is valuable in networking. Empathy enables you to forge meaningful connections and create a supportive network. Building trust is crucial for successful networking. Demonstrating integrity, being reliable, and maintaining confidentiality can help establish trust with your professional contacts. Networking often involves collaborating with others. Being a team player, actively participating in group discussions, and sharing knowledge and resources contribute to successful collaboration. Maintaining a positive and optimistic outlook can make you more approachable and engaging. People are more likely to connect with someone who exudes positivity and enthusiasm. Networking often brings you into contact with diverse individuals and situations. Being open to new ideas, adapting to change, and being flexible in your approach can help you navigate networking events and opportunities. Demonstrating professionalism is crucial in networking. This includes being punctual, respecting others' time, dressing appropriately, and maintaining a courteous and respectful demeanor. Understanding and following networking etiquette is important. This includes exchanging business cards, following up with contacts, expressing gratitude, and being mindful of cultural norms in professional settings. Remember, while technical skills are essential, networking soft skills are equally important for building a strong professional network and advancing your career. Developing and honing these skills can significantly enhance your networking effectiveness. Networking can be a valuable tool for building professional relationships, expanding your knowledge, and creating new opportunities. Here's some steps to help you effectively network. Determine what you want to achieve through networking. Are you looking for job opportunities, seeking mentorships, or expanding your industry knowledge? Clearly defining your goals will guide your networking efforts. Identify the individuals or groups you want to connect with based on your goals. This could include professionals in your industry, alumni from your school, or individuals with similar interests. Look for industry conferences, seminars, workshops, or networking events in your area. These provide opportunities to meet professionals, engage in conversations, and exchange contact information. Before attending networking events, do your research. Learn about the event, the attendees, and the topics that will be discussed. This will help you initiate meaningful conversations and show your interest. Approach others with confidence and initiate conversations. Ask open-ended questions to show your interest in their work or experiences. Be a good listener and actively engage in the conversation. Prepare a concise and compelling introduction about yourself. Highlight your skills, experiences, and what you are seeking. This will help you make a memorable impression and effectively communicate your goals. When engaging in conversations, exchange business cards or contact information with those you connect with. Follow proper networking etiquette and be respectful of people's time. After the event, follow up with the individuals you met. Send personalized messages or emails expressing your gratitude for the conversation and expressing your interest in maintaining the connection. Personalize each message to make it more meaningful. Expand your networking efforts by utilizing online platforms such as LinkedIn. Connect with professionals in your industry, join relevant groups, and engage in conversations or discussions. Networking is a two-way street. Offer your assistance, share valuable resources, or introduce people who may benefit from knowing each other. Building a reputation as a helpful and supportive networker can strengthen your connections. Networking is not just about making initial connections. It's about nurturing and maintaining relationships over time. Stay in touch with your network by periodically reaching out, sharing relevant updates, or meeting for coffee or lunch. Remember, networking is a gradual process that requires patience and consistency. Be genuine, build trust, and focus on creating mutually beneficial relationships. Networking is not just about what others can do for you, but also about how you can contribute to the success of others.